Anna wakes up early in the morning. Today feels different. She has a feeling that something exciting might happen. She gets out of bed and looks outside the window. The sun is shining brightly and the sky is blue. Anna smiles and gets ready for the day. She makes a simple breakfast with toast and jam. Anna likes her breakfast because it gives her energy for the day. After eating, she checks her backpack to make sure she has everything for school. Anna walks to school with her friend Lily. They talk about their favorite books and laugh at funny stories. The walk to school always feels short with Lily. When they arrive at school, their teacher greets them with a big smile. In class, Anna learns how to write a letter. She finds it interesting and wants to write a letter to her grandmother. At lunch, Anna sits with her friends. They eat sandwiches and talk about their plans for the weekend. Anna loves hearing about the different activities her friends will do. In the afternoon, Anna has art class. She paints a picture of a sunny day in the park. Painting makes her feel happy and relaxed. After school, Anna and Lily walk back home. On the way, they stop at the park to play on the swings. The park is full of children laughing and playing. Anna loves the sound of laughter. It makes her feel warm inside. When Anna gets home, her mom is baking cookies in the kitchen. The sweet smell fills the house. Anna helps her mom and learns how to bake cookies. Later, Anna writes her letter to her grandmother. She tells her about the day and how she learned something new. After dinner, Anna reads a book in bed. Her eyes feel heavy and she slowly falls asleep. As she drifts off, Anna remembers her exciting day and smiles. Tomorrow is another day and she is curious about the new surprises it might bring.